Alright, story structure. The thing every screenwriting professor makes sound like rocket science. But it's really just how you keep people from falling asleep while watching your movie. I'm gonna break this down like you're 12. No theory dumps, no jargon, no $200 textbooks, and by the end, you'll know how to structure a story people actually want to watch. Part 1. What story structure really is. Story structure is just cause and effect. Something happens, that thing causes the next thing, and every choice makes the next thing harder, messier, and more interesting. If your story is just random scenes thrown together, it's not a story, it's a montage of chaos. It's chaos, and chaos is fun at a party, but boring as hell on screen. Good structure equals tension builds, stakes rise, and you have to see what happens next. Okay, here's the baby version of story structure. Act 1. Setup. Introduce your character, their world, and their problem. An example of this, in Spider-Man, Peter Parker is a nerdy kid, gets powers, but Uncle Ben dies. Boom, there's your problem. Act 2. Messy middle, messy middle. Your character tries to fix the problem, but keeps making it worse. Peter Parker learns to be Spider-Man, fails, gets beat up, alienates his friends, gets rejected by MJ, everything sucks. Act 3. The resolution. Big showdown. They face their fear, win or lose, and we get emotional closure. Peter fights the Green Goblin, saves MJ, and learns the whole great power, great responsibility thing. Done. That's it. That's story structure. You're welcome. Here's where most beginner filmmakers screw this up. They think events equals story. My character gets kidnapped. Cool. Why do we care about that? My hero wins the fight. Awesome. But what did they lose along the way? Good structure isn't about what happens, it's about why it matters. If nothing changes for the character, the audience won't give a damn. You want people glued to your story? Raise the stakes. Stakes equal what your character stands to lose. Conflict equals stopping them from getting it. If the stakes are low and the conflict's easy, nobody's going to care. Imagine John Wick without the dead puppy. It's just a guy shooting strangers for no reason. But with stakes, now we're locked in, and it's something we can all humanize and connect with. Here's your cheat sheet. Start with a why we care. Who's the character and what do they want? Break their life, give them a problem that forces change. Make it worse. Every choice should dig the hole deeper. Raise the stakes. Make us terrified they might lose everything. End with change. Win or lose, your character can't be the same person they were at the start. Do that, and congratulations, you understand story structure better than 90% of film school graduates. Don't overcomplicate this. You don't need a PhD in screenwriting or a 400-page book on the hero's journey. Watch movies, notice how they move, then steal, tweet, and repeat it. I'm Adam Blocker with Freedom Filmmakers. Now stop scrolling and go write something worth filming. Peace.